How are you all? Hope you all are well. Okay, my dear kids, today we are going to start a new lesson. 4 or Barkha. What is the title of the lesson? 4 or Barkha. Write on the up of it today's date 19/2/2021 Shukravar. Part 16 4 or Barkha. 4 means early morning. 4 means what? Early morning. Barkha means rain. Early morning and rain. The first para they are explaining about the early morning, how it will be like that. And in the second para they are explaining about the rainy season. Okay, we'll go to the lesson. I'll take your textbook. Page number 119. Okay, listen carefully. Read with me, okay? जागो बंसी वारे ललना, जागो मोरे प्यारे, रजनी बीती 4-5 है, खर खर खुले किवारे, गोपी दही मदत सुनियत हैं, कंगना के चनकारे, उठो लाल जी 4-5 है, सुर नर डाटे द्वारे, ग्वाल बाल सब करत कुलाहल, जय जय सबद उचारे, माखन रोटी हाथ महलिनी, गौवन के रखवारे, मीरा के प्रभु गिरिधर नागर, शरण आया के तारे, शरण आया को तारे. तो आपका सुबह कैसे होते हैं मेरे प्यारे बच्चों? हाउ इज़ योर मॉर्निंग एंड ऑल? Morning you will sleep, right? Nowadays little late only we will get up, right? If the school and all is there, means how the mother will come and get up you, isn't it? You will sleep, आपके मम्मी आपको जगाती हैं. Your mommy will come and making you to wake up. She will tell school जाना है, पढ़ाना है, you want to go to school, you want to learn something, or so you get up like that. She used to say, right? Why are you sleeping? So you will tell, what you will tell to your mother? Only 1 minute or 2 minutes or 5 minutes, let me sleep, after that I will get up, like that we will used to say. So like that, here what is going on is about Sri Krishna only we are telling here. Sri Krishna, he was sleeping and his mother Yashoda was making him to get up. So what and all she is telling while making him to get up, what the Yashoda is telling, that is only this first para. Jago bansi vare lalna. Bansi vare lalna means bansi, that flute who is keeping, that only bansi vale. So bansi vale lalna. Lalna means beloved, beloved son, please my dear son. Lalna, beloved, beloved. Bansi vare means those who is keeping the flute. So those who is keeping the flute, my dear son, jago, get up, jago, get up, please get up. Jago more pyare, my dear, please get up. Rajani beeti. Rajani means what? Night. 4-5 है, 4-5 है, सुबह हो गई है. It became 4 means morning. My dear son, you get up. Night everything over. Now it is morning. Khar khar khule kiware. Everyone open their doors in the, kiware means door, doors in their house. Everyone open their doors. गोपी दही मदत. सारी गोपियाँ दही मदत रही हैं. All the gopi and all gopi that ladies and all there na, they are doing that dahi madat. They are doing that, they will do na some use to take the butter they used to do. You can see in the picture, one lady is doing that one, like that they are doing. Sunihat he kangana ke changare. While they are doing that one, can you hear the kangana means bangles. You can hear the sound of that their bangles. Can you hear that? Utho lalji, my dear, you please get up. 4:05 hai. Morning has come. Sur nar daathe dware. Sur nar. Who and all is how standing outside? Sur nar. Sur means devada, angels. Nar means man. Men. All the angels and the men are waiting for you on the Tate Dware. Tate Dware means standing near the door. Standing near the door. So you please get up. Now the subah now 4:05 hai. 4:05 hai. Sur nar daathe dware. Angels and the men everywhere are standing outside to see you. So please get up. ग्वाल बाल सब करत कुलाहल. ग्वाल बाल सब करत कुलाहल means everyone, your friends and all. ग्वाल बाल सब every your friends and all making sound. कुलाहल means कोलाहल. They are making sound. पुकार रहे हैं. जय जय शब्द उचारे. They are जय जयकार करके तुम्हें पुकार रहे हैं. They are asking. ग्वाल बाल सब करत कुलाहल. जय जय सब Sabad uchare means they are making sound and also they want to see you. So they are calling you and they are jai jai, they are telling and they are shouting. So Makhan roti, then said that day what happened? By hearing this and all, Krishna ji has get up. Then he is taking Makhan roti हाथ महलीनी. अपने हाथ में माखन रोटी ले ली खाने के लिए. He is taking Makhan and roti. Makhan and roti means that cheese and that butter and roti he has taken in his heart, in his hand. Hath means hand. Gauvan ke rakhware. Those who is keeping those who is making, grazing the, those who is taking care of the cow, that is only Krishna. So he has taken the Makhan and roti and he is going. मीरा के प्रभु गिरिधर नागर. मीरा के प्रभु हु इज़ द मीरा. मीरा जी कहते हैं कि भगवान श्री कृष्ण जी इतने दयालु है. ही इज़ वेरी काइंड. शरण आया को तारे. अपने शरण में आए हुए हर मनुष्य का कल्याण करते हैं. दोस हु इज़ कमिंग इन हिज, ही द मीरा इज़ टेलिंग दैट माई प्रभु, माई मीरा इज़ टेलिंग दैट माई Krishna is very kindful person. So those who are coming under him, he will give wishes, he will give everything to them, isn't it? So that is only they are making the Krishna mother Yashodhara is making the Krishna to get up. To that everyone has get up. They are all waiting outside for seeing you. Their friends and all is making sound. The Gobiya Mandal has making the Makhan and all for you. So please get up. So after that Krishna ji is getting up and he is taking the Makhan and roti to eat and also he is going outside. So the Meera is telling my Sri Krishna is a very kindful person. He will give everything to the persons, those who are there. Here Manishika, those who are coming on him, he will give all the wishes to him. Like that they are telling. Understood, ma? Okay, next we will go to the next para. Listen carefully. बरसे बदरिया सावन की मन पावन की. सावन में उमग्यो मेरो मनवा. फनक सुनी हरि आवन की. उमड़ खुमड़ चाहु दिस से आया. दामिन दमकई चर लावन की. नन्ही नन्ही बूंदन मेहा बरसे. शीतल पवन सुहावन की. Once again and down. मीरा के प्रभु गिरिधर नागर. आनंद मंगल गावन की. Once again. बरसे बदरिया सावन की. सावन की मन पावन की. सावन में उमग्यो मेरो मनवा. फनक सुनी हरि आवन की. उमड़ खुमड़ चाहु दिस से आया. दामिन दमके चर लावन की नन्ही नन्ही बूंदन मेहा बरसे शीतल पवन सुहावन की मीरा के प्रभु गिरधर नागर आनंद मंगल गावन की means बरसे बदरिया सावन की means बदरिया means cloud. सी वर्षा के मौसम सबको बहुत अच्छा लगता है इसलिए द रेनी सीजन एंड ऑल वी ऑल लाइक्स वेरी मच. इसलिए जब आकाश से जब वर्षा गिरता है तो सारे गर्मी दूर भाग जाता है. when the now we are feeling so hot, right? when we if the rain is coming means we will feel very happy that all the hotness will go. चारों तरफ डंडी डंडी हवा बहने लगती है. all the four sides the cool air only will come. मन कहता है कि जाके पानी में फीको. by seeing the rain what we will feel, we also want to go and stand on the rain and we also want to be wet with that, is right? So like that only we used to do what and all we used to do in the rainy season. We used to make a boat, isn't it, paper boat, and we will make it to flow on the water, isn't it? सावन के महीने में वर्षा होती है. in which year month the rain is coming more in the spring season, right? सावन के महीने में श्रवण months only this is coming. What is coming? Rain is coming. Everywhere it will be greenery, right? So because of heavy rain the trees and all will grow more and everywhere it will be greenish, right? So it will looks very nice. So here they are saying basse badariya savan ki, the rainy season has started. Rainy season has started. Savan ki man favan ki, when the rain is for spring season and it will give us very good, मन को अच्छा लगता है. it will feel our mind to be good, isn't it? we will feel very good in our mind. सावन में उमग्यो मेरो मनवा, सावन में उमग्यो मेरो मनवा, सावन के बादल बरस रहे हैं, सावन में मेरे मन में नया उमंग फर गई है, नई खुशी है. उमग्यो मेरे मनवा, in my mind some happiness is there. उमग्यो means खुशी, happy. सावन spring. So सावन में उमग्यो मेरो मनवा, in my mind, मनवा mind, a new happiness has come because of the spring season. फनक सुनी हरि आवन की, क्योंकि मुझे ऐसा होता है कि भगवान श्री कृष्ण आने वाला है. आई एम फीलिंग फनक सुनी, आई एम फीलिंग लाइक, आई फेल्ट लाइक, फीलिंग like Hari आवन की. Hari, my Sri Krishna is coming. Hari means Sri Krishna. Sri Krishna. Hari means Sri Krishna. That Sri Krishna, my Sri Krishna is going to come. So when spring season and come, the rainy season will come means I have feeling that my mind is telling something happiness, like happy mood. In my mind is in happy mood and it is telling that my Hari, my Sri Krishna is going to come. Umad khumad chahun this se ai. Umad khumad, like making the sound umad khumad, and chahun this say it is coming. How it is coming? The rain is coming like making sound, right? Chahun this means four directions. Chahun this in four sides, and from four the sides and all it is coming. And damin damke char lavan ki, what is happening? बिजली चमक रही है. दामिन electricity, दामिन light, बिजली is lightning, glazing, right? बिजली is shining, चमक रही है, shining. चर लावन की, char lavan ki, because he is coming, so everywhere it is very bright. Nanhi bundan meha bars, how the rain is showering, how the rain, nanhi bundan, small drops and all, meha barse, varsha ho rahi hai. How it is meha barse means raining. Nanhi means very small. Bundan drops. The rain is showering like a very small drops. Shidal Pavan Suhavan ki. By getting the rain, how the wind and all will be? The wind will be, Pavan means wind. The wind is very nice, right? Wind is very nice. Shidal Hava Suhavan, we are getting nice air from the cool air from outside because of the rain, right? Shidal Hava Suhavan, we are getting the pleasant wind. Suhavan, pleasant. Suhavan ki. Meera ke Prabhu Giridhar Nagar. Meera ke Prabhu. Meera is telling that my Prabhu, my Guru, my Prabhu, my God, Giridhar is coming. Giridhar Nagar aane wale hain. Coming, Nagar, coming. My God is coming. Anand Mangal Gavan ki. Anand se she is singing song. Mangal Gana, by wishing him, she is singing song. Mirabai only has written this song. Okay, Mirabai is very fond of Sri Krishna. After it is telling that after marriage also he is praising Sri Krishna only more than his husband, like that they used to say. So like that he is very fond of Sri Krishna, and by praising Sri Krishna only she has written this poem. So from the first para we have learned that how the morning it will be when in the Vraj where the Sri Krishna is living, that place how the morning will be. Everyone will open the morning itself, they will open the windows and also doors and everything, and the ladies will started doing preparing the butter and all, and every people, the angels and all the people will used to stand outside to see Sri Krishna, and his friends everyone will morning itself they'll come and call him. So these all will happen in the morning, isn't it? So after hearing that, Sri Krishna will go, and Sri Krishna for morning hot he will eat the makhan and roti and cheese and the butter and the roti, and he will go with them. And Mirabai is telling that those who is following Sri Krishna, he will give all the wishes to them. Then the second para is telling about the rainy season. How the rainy season will be. The rainy season will be very nice, and it will be everywhere. It will be very pleasant and greenish, and also cool air also we will get. So by seeing the spring season, Mirabai is thinking that his God Sri Krishna is going to come. So how the rain is coming. The rain will come in the four sides. Humad Kark. It is coming in the four sides, and Bijli, the light, everywhere it is chamaked, bright it will be, and the rain is coming like a small particles. Then we are getting cool air also. So when the Sri Krishna is coming, Mirabai used to sing the song also by praising him. So that only this lesson. Okay, easy only now. So read the lesson, my dear kids. Read the lesson, read it, record it, and send it to me. Whatever doubt you have, you can come and ask me in the Zoom interaction meeting. Nowadays no one is coming for the Zoom interaction meeting, isn't it? Ma'am only waiting for the class. One or two only coming. For one or two only I am not conducting the Zoom class. We the teachers also is spending time. We are sitting for you from for half an hour, and no one is coming, means how the teachers will feel. You think about that. We also have so many works, but we need your future also. We are thinking about that also. Why we are coming and sitting for Zoom class? For our need. For you people only we are coming and sitting, and you people are not coming, means how the teachers will feel. For all the classes I am telling, for all the subjects I am telling, you have to come for the Zoom class. Give importance for studies. It will make you you will grow, and you will achieve something, and you are not going to give anything for us. Our duty is to teach you. Please come understand that we need you to learn something. Okay, please give importance for studies. It will affect your future. Please understand that and do it. Okay, ma? ओके, दैट्स ऑल फॉर टुडे। धन्यवाद मेरे प्यारे बच्चों।